No, it's too hard. A little further. There you go. Did you hear that? You have to push that one forward.
Are you teaching him to shoot at the TV?
Yeah. Shoot?
Oh my goodness. Uncle Rich, you're so dead now.
Why? Oh, here it goes. You gotta pull it again, Gavin. The orange part. You gotta load the gun again.
Okay, Gavin, take mom. This mom on ceiling. Oh, don't shoot my eyeballs, do not shoot my ceiling.
I think we need to get a simple one, Rich.
Yes.
It's simple, it's just a little big.
The size of him?
That's the size of it.
Okay, come on.
Here you go. You
Your
gotta,
mommy's voice high.
it's easier if you do on the ground like this and pull.
Oh, baby.
Pull it.
Pull it down, Gavin.
Pull it.
All the way down.
All the way. Oops. It's hard. Here. You gotta put the bullets in first.